Close your eyes for a second. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. You turn on the faucet. Nothing comes out. You check your phone. Breaking news. Water supply, gone. Not a shortage, not a drought. Gone. Every river, dry. Every ocean, vanished. Every raindrop, erased from existence. How long do you survive? Hours? Days? The answer will shock you. Because it's not just about thirst. When water disappears, the entire planet shuts down within hours. Not weeks, not days. Hours. This is what Earth looks like without water. And this is why water is the most powerful resource the universe has ever created. Before we go further, let's understand what water actually means to this planet. 71% of Earth's surface is covered in water. But here's what nobody tells you. Only 2.5% of that is fresh water. And of that 2.5%, almost 69% is locked inside glaciers and ice caps. Another 30% is buried deep underground. That means less than 1% of all water on Earth is actually accessible to humans, animals, and plants. Less than 1%. And we've built an entire civilization on it. 8 billion people, billions of animals, millions of species, all surviving on that tiny fraction. Now imagine that fraction disappears overnight. Let's walk through exactly what happens, minute by minute. Hour 1. The panic starts immediately. Taps run dry. Toilets stop flushing. Hospitals lose water supply mid-surgery. Power plants begin shutting down because most electricity on Earth requires water to generate. Hydroelectric dams? Dead. Nuclear plants? Offline. They need water to cool reactors. Coal and gas plants? Same story. Within 60 minutes, most of the world loses electricity. Hour 2. The internet goes dark. Data centers require massive amounts of water for cooling. Without it, servers overheat and shut down in minutes. Communication collapses. GPS? Gone. Banking systems? Offline. Emergency services? Overwhelmed. Hour 3. Fires start breaking out globally, and there's nothing to fight them with. 3 hours without water, and civilization is already fracturing. Now let's talk about what happens inside your body. Your body is 60% water. Your brain is 75% water. Your blood is 90% water. Without water, your blood thickens within hours. Your heart struggles to pump it. Your kidneys begin to fail. Within 24 hours without water, the human body begins organ shutdown. Confusion sets in, then delirium, then unconsciousness. The average human can survive 3 minutes without air, 3 days without water, 3 weeks without food. 3 days. That's all water gives us. And yet we treat it like it's unlimited. But here's what most people miss. It's not just drinking water that disappears. It's food. Agriculture uses 70% of all fresh water on Earth. Every single crop that feeds humanity requires massive amounts of water to grow. 1 kilogram of beef needs 15,000 liters of water to produce. 1 kilogram of rice, 2,500 liters. 1 single almond, 12 liters. Without water, every farm on Earth dies within days. Every crop withers. Every animal that feeds us, gone. The global food supply doesn't run out in months. It begins collapsing in weeks. And the countries that suffer first? The ones that are already hungry. Sub-Saharan Africa, South Asia, the Middle East. Regions already fighting water scarcity today would be the first to fall. And then there's the planet itself. Earth's ecosystems are built entirely around water. Remove it, and every living system begins to die simultaneously. Forests? Gone within weeks. Trees pull hundreds of liters of water from the ground daily. Without it, they dry out, crack, and collapse. With no forests, the oxygen cycle begins to collapse. Oceans regulate Earth's temperature. Without water, surface temperatures swing wildly. Days become burning hot. Nights drop to deadly cold. Without water, Earth doesn't just lose life. It becomes Mars, a dry, barren, silent rock floating alone in space, exactly like our neighbor next door, which scientists believe once had oceans and lost them. Now here's the part that should really scare you. We don't need to imagine a world without water, because we're already heading toward one. Right now, 2 billion people on Earth lack access to safe drinking water. That's 1 in every 4 humans alive today. By 2040, scientists predict that 700 million people could be displaced by severe water scarcity. The Colorado River, which supplies water to 40 million Americans, has shrunk to its lowest level in recorded history. Lake Mead, Lake Powell, the Aral Sea, bodies of water that were once massive are disappearing in real time. This isn't a future problem. This is happening right now, while we scroll through social media, while we leave the tap running, while we waste food grown with water that someone else on this planet is dying without. Water isn't a resource. It's the reason you exist. It's the reason anything exists. Every civilization that ever rose to greatness rose because of water. Every civilization that collapsed because it ran out. Ancient Mesopotamia, the Maya, the Indus Valley, all of them gone. Not from war, not from disease, from drought. We are the first generation in human history that knows exactly what's coming and has the power to stop it. The question isn't whether Earth can survive without water. The question is, will we?